Okay, this is a question which very commonly comes up in my workshops as well. People biting themselves and maybe biting other people. So there's lots of sensory reasons why this might happen, but also before I start to explain about the sensory side of things, let's not forget about communication. It's really important that we know and we have a great relationship with the person that we're supporting. We need to understand, are they trying to tell us something? Is there something that I've missed that maybe now they're not happy about, and so they're communicating that to me? However, if it's a sensory need, if it's relating to a sensory processing disorder, let's think about our tactile sensations. When I bite myself, or when I bite other people, I'm receiving tactile information. Both of those situations are tactile feelings. It's whether it's feeling on my skin, and I'm also getting that sense of pain as well. When I'm biting other people, whether it's through clothes or whether it's on the skin, again, I'm getting tactile information. So for some people, it might be that they're a tactile seeker. So let's think about other ways that we can give them tactile sensations orally. Electric toothbrushes are really, really good. Lots of sensations really, really quickly. Otherwise, chewy toys, especially really rough, hard, chewy toys, are going to give them lots of sensations similar to why they might be biting. Try and find a sensory support which is similar to what that person is receiving. So if they're biting themselves, try and find something which is similarly squidgy, has the same feeling as it might when they're biting themselves or biting fabric or other people. That's going to be the best way to support tactile sensations. Proprioception, it could be because they're seeking to find out where their body is. So by biting themselves, they are suddenly aware of their hands and their fingers and their arms. I know some people some children who used to bite their hands before writing. It was almost like an alerting program that they were doing for themselves. So let's try and support, if it's proprioceptive sensations, that with some waking up exercises before we do activities. We might notice people biting themselves before throwing things, or like I said, writing, before brushing hair, before doing something with their hands, brushing teeth. If we identify someone biting themselves and we feel it's relating to proprioception, let's help them to become more aware of their body by doing some heavy work, so lifting things. Lots of feedback between your joints and muscles is really going to be supportive. And the last reason might be relating to sound. So for some people who bite, it's that auditory sound which they get from the experience, and this tends to be for people who bite other people. If someone is bitten, they will be in pain, and most commonly that pain comes out in a screech or a sound which for some people is enjoyable. If people are doing it to seek sound, it's really important that you can provide another way that they can get that sensation. Try vibration. Vibration is going to give so many auditory vibrations, create sound, so much auditory stimulation. But also try sound. Try toys or fidgets which have that cause and effect. So you squeeze something and it makes a sound, or you press a button and it makes a sound. Some people might just prefer to have loud music playing. If we have that loud music playing, they will then be able to reduce the amount they're seeking that sound in other ways. Sometimes it's that spontaneous realization that they are looking for a sensation, i.e. sound, which is why they then go and bite someone or something which is going to give them that auditory stimulus.